Lovely. The borders have got lovely stonework and the tube beads. It's a lovely horizontal half and half saree. Pallu has got lovely ethnic prints, beautiful prints. This has got lots of floral motifs but done in a very ethnic style. Very, very nice. And of course, on the edge, you have these beautiful stonework. Contrast of this royal blue on this slightly greenish blue is very, very nice. If you see the stonework here is in scallop shape. Bottom has got lovely, fabulous ethnic motifs. These are very, very Mughal motifs. There are 4 rows of cute elephants all along. Beautiful indigo blue with the white background, reverse printing. Combination of Ajrak and Bagru printing. Actually, it's beautiful. Very ethnic, very Indian motifs. This collection is the perfect collection for somebody who's vegan, who wants to wear silk and have all the beauty and the sizzle of silk. Today, we're going to be looking at a very, very dazzling collection. This is a party wear collection, so it's something very special. This is made in beautiful modal silk and it's got lovely stonework and tube beads pasted all over. I'll show you this collection. I can't wait to show you this collection. Hello, Avishya fans and saree lovers. Today, let's start with this lovely party wear stonework modal silk collection. I'll quickly show them to you. It's fabulously beautiful modal silk. The saree is, the feel of the silk is so nice. It's actually slipping away. It's slipping and sliding away. So it's a really lovely saree. It's beautiful modal silk. I'll just open it out for you. Fabulous. As you can see, this is the pallu side. Beautiful pallu. Lovely. The borders have got lovely stonework and the tube beads all along the edges of the pallu. Also, you have stonework and the beads, and it's ethnic printed. So all ethnic prints, beautiful ethnic prints, lovely motifs and designs, elephants, arches, beautiful. And let me open out the saree for you. This is the pallu, and here the body of the saree starts. It's a lovely, beautiful, deep brown, lovely deep brown, very dark brown saree. It's the border, as you can see, is very tall border. It's almost a half and half saree. It's a lovely horizontal half and half saree, and I'll flip it around to show you how the body will look standalone. Wow, nice, beautiful, rich, very, very dark chocolate top, and lovely ethnic prints in the bottom. Fabulously slinky and soft modal silk. And if you're holding the saree, this is how it would look. The pallu and the saree together, it's beautiful. The feel of modal silk is so luxurious. It's lovely. And this comes with this lovely blouse. The blouse has got prints as well. This is the blouse. And of course, because it's a very, very stonework led party wear saree, the blouse also has got a lovely strip of stonework, which can be used for the sleeves or the back. Beautiful, right? Let's move on to the next one. This is again a lovely, beautiful ethnic print, and it's a nice, lovely light brown color. The body is a light brown color. Let me see what the pallu looks like. I'll just open out the saree for you. Beautiful, lovely. Pallu has got lovely ethnic prints, beautiful prints, and of course the stonework is coming in the form of chevron shaped stonework. Beautiful along the edge of the pallu, and you have various ethnic beautiful ethnic motifs. On the light brown color, it's a lovely dark purple motif printing, and also birds and flowers, floral motifs, lovely arches, beautiful Mughal motifs. It's lovely, and the body itself is really nice. Fabulous motifs running all along, and the borders both on the top and the bottom have got stunning stonework. Beautiful. You can imagine how this would look if this is draped, the pallu and the body. It's an amazing saree. The way if it's draped, it's sensational sizzle, right? Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse is a lovely, beautiful dark brown blouse, and of course it's got this fabulous sizzling chevron stonework and beadwork here. Beautiful. So this can be used to decorate the blouse, and overall this is the saree. It's a light brown saree with a deep purple motifs printed. Third, we are going to be looking at this fabulous dark graphite grey saree. Again, it's got fabulous motifs printed all over the body. Fabulous, beautiful printing, very, very creatively done. This has got lots of floral motifs but done in a very ethnic style. Very, very nice. Let's see what the pallu of this saree looks like. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, very nice. Fabulous. Rich, very, very rich wine red pallu. Very orangish red, or a wine red as you can call it. With beautiful floral motifs all over. Floral ethnic palm motifs. It's got lovely small motifs, large motifs, but very, very, it's almost like Bagru printing. It's lovely ethnic motifs. And of course, on the edge, you have these beautiful stonework, sizzling stonework all along the edges edges here, fabulous. It's almost like a graph which goes up and down, or like a skyscrapers in the background. The same thing is continued in the border, all along the border on the top and the bottom. You can see what the body of the saree itself looks like with the sizzling borders. Fabulous. As you can see on the bottom and on the top, it's got fabulous, beautiful sizzling motifs, both at the top border and the bottom border. So how have they handled the blouse for this? Let's take a look. Nice, fabulous, beautiful, lovely prints. This almost looks like a bark print. Lovely, the same graphite, deep graphite gray, dark graphite gray background, white and scarlet red motifs in the background. Beautiful, almost looks like a bark print. It's an ethnic print. And of course on modal silk, this whole thing looked so stunning. It was sizzling and so nice. You can imagine how it would be if you can wear this saree. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about all the various new collections that we launch on Avishya. And if you like this video, please do share this with your friends also at work, at school, college, wherever you are. Please do share this video with your friends, and it will be lovely if you can spread the message. Next, you're going to be looking at this beautiful, lovely blue printed modal silk saree, party wear saree with stonework. I'll just open this out. This is the same design that the dark graphite saree that we saw had. So this is fabulous, lovely floral and leaf motif on the body. I'll open it out one by one. This is modal silk, so I have to be a little careful. Fabulous, lovely design prints all over the body. It's a beautiful grayish blue, the background, and in some angles it looks like greenish blue, but it's a lovely color, fabulous color. On that, the prints are dark blue, there's pink, there's dark pink, and of course white relief motifs all over the body. It's all very floral and ethnic. It's a lovely combination of floral and ethnic. And of course, like we saw in the dark graphite saree, the stonework is almost like a graph, up and down and up and down. It's beautiful stonework with beadwork as well, all along the edges, both on the bottom and the top. And let's see what the pallu looks like. Yes, fabulous. No, I think this is slightly different from the graphite gray, the pallu. It's very nice. It's fabulous. The prints are really, really good, very rich, and the contrast of this royal blue on this slightly greenish blue is very, very nice. Fabulous. The pallu, the way it works with the body, you can see I've just spread this out for you. It looks beautiful. And let's also take a quick look at the blouse, which I think follows a similar bark print like the graphite gray. Yes, the same bark print on the beautiful, very, very metallic blue background and dark blue and white relief. This is the pallu and this is the body. And overall, if you look at it, it's a very classy saree. And of course, to all the class, the stonework adds the sizzle. Both the top border and the bottom border have these beautiful, I'll just show this to you, the way this will come out. Lovely stonework on the top and on the bottom and on the edge of the pallu. So that'll lift that'll give the X quotient to this side. Let's go next. Nice, beautiful, lovely olive green and purple combination. It's really tasteful and nice. I'll open this out for you. This is how the main body of the saree would look. Lovely stonework in the bottom and the top. If you see, the stonework here is in scallop shape. You can see it's a lovely scallop pattern which goes all along the borders. It's white stone, and then this is a little, the beads are coming, and because the pattern in the back is purple, it almost looks like it is purple stones. It looks very nice. This is the border pattern. All over the body of beautiful ethnic motifs. Lovely. This looks like ajrak. And then of course the top border, again the same scallop borders are there with beautiful leaf motifs and purple edging. Very, very nice. The combination of olive green and purple. Let's look at what the pallu looks like. Nice, beautiful. The body and the pallu, the way they work together is really, really nice. And there are three sections to the pallu, as you can see. There's a central, very strong olive green section with beautiful floral motifs, leaf motifs in the center. And then both sides, there are two panels which have got lovely diamond motifs. Again, very similar to the ajrak style. Very nice in purple diamonds on this side and that side. Overall, this combination of olive green and purple works so beautifully. And because there is stonework in the borders, in the bottom and the top, it looks very, very pretty. Very, very pretty combination. Let's now see what the blouse looks like. Lovely, beautiful, gorgeous olive green. And because of modal silk, it looks so dazzling. The blouse standalone looks so pretty. The stunning olive green, metallic olive green. And of course, I'm sure they've given some decoration on the blouse as well. Yes, here it is. Lovely scallops also given on one side, which can be used to decorate the sleeves or the back. Beautiful scallops on the background. So you can see how well these will work together. The blouse, the pallu, and the body of the saree work beautifully together, and it looks very classy and dazzling as well. Wow, nice, beautiful dusky rose color. Beautiful. And it's got a stone of mauve as well. It's a beautiful beautiful mauve and pink combination in the body and leaf motifs all over the body. I will open this out for you. Hopefully I've got it right. Yes, this is the body of the saree. Beautiful, lovely. It's a beautiful dusky pink with a tone, a hint of lavender, hint of purple in the background. Very, very light hint, but it's very nice and beautiful. Leaf motifs in two colors, in green and in brown all over. And the brown and the dusky pink and dusky rose looks were very, very nice together. And of course, as you can see, there are lovely ethnic motifs all along the edges. And of course, beautiful stonework on the borders. Same thing carries on to the top border as well. Now let's see what the pallu looks like. Yes, fabulous pallu. It works really well together. Fabulous. The dusky pink moves on to some zigzag motifs. This looks very similar to the zigzag motifs on my shirt, what I'm wearing. Very nice, beautiful. And here there are chevron motifs, sectional chevron motifs, some circular motifs here, one more round of zigzag motifs and circular motifs. So overall, it's very stylishly designed the pallu, all with the beautiful dusky pink background with the black, green and dark brown. All of these contrast to the dusky pink background and it's very, very nice. And of course, the stonework adds a lot of dazzle. Let's see what the blouse of the saree is. Beautiful. The zigzag motifs and the pallu has been carried over and this is forming the blouse. And of course, the blouse also has very nice edging, so that can be used for decorating the sleeves or the back. So this is the blouse. It goes, as you can see, the zigzag motifs go very nicely along with the leaf motifs of the body. I hope you are enjoying this video as much as I am enjoying it. The fabric is so nice. The modal silk is really silky, soft and sensuous. Very, very nice. The prints are beautiful ethnic motifs which are printed on. And of course, the stonework and the beadwork elevates the saree to a different level altogether. I'm sure you'll enjoy the saree. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about all our videos. Now let's move on to the next saree. Yes, this is a green. It's a nice dark forest green. Very, very nice. I'll open out the saree for you. This is a half and half saree. I'll just open it out so that you can understand the saree in full. Yes, this is how the saree works. The top of the saree is this wonderful, probably a slightly lighter bottle green. It's very, very nice. This is the top of the saree. Bottom has got lovely, fabulous ethnic motifs. These are very, very Mughal motifs. You can see the shapes and the flowers. It's very, very Mughal type motifs. And of course, the edges, the bottom edge has got lovely stonework and beadwork. So does the top. The top of the saree also has lovely, beautiful floral motifs all along the body. And of course, nice stonework. This has been contrasted very nicely with the pallu, which has got beautiful, lovely, very, very Indian, very, very ethnic motifs. There are 4 rows of cute elephants all along. Beautiful indigo blue with the white background, reverse printing. Beautiful elephant motifs. And between the 4 rows of elephants, you have these lovely ethnic motifs here in the center. The slightly dark, slightly different forest green. Then you have beautiful red, madder red kind of prints here, along with beautiful charkas here. Lovely motif, same thing is repeated here. This is a repeat of that side. And of course, after the elephant motifs, right in the very edge, you have these lovely fern-like edges on this side and topped off, of course, with the sizzling stonework in the edge. So you can imagine how a saree like this would look. It's really nice. And let's see what the blouse of the saree is. The blouse of the saree has got lovely ethnic print. I'll just open it out for you. This piece comes separately. So this is how the blouse works. And the blouse has got a row of stonework and beadwork as well. So this is the blouse. The blouse works very nicely with the saree. And of course, the pallu is here. Next, wow, beautiful color combination. I think this is gray. Lovely. It's a brownish, slightly brownish gray. Let me open this out so that we can see this in full. Yes, beautiful. Lovely, lovely saree. The prints are so nice. They look very much like ajrak prints. A combination of ajrak and bagru printing. Actually, it's beautiful. Very ethnic, very Indian motifs. All over the body, you have these beautiful dark, rusty orange, a burnt orange is the color here. It's beautiful. And of course, these are, some of them look like ajrak blocks. Some of them look like bagru. It's very nice, beautiful all over. And then these beautiful star motifs in white in the center of the beautiful gray, this brownish gray. And overall, the impact is very classy. And in the edge, of course, we have a row of floral motifs, 2 types of floral motifs alternating. There's a bud, and the bud, there's a paisley kind of motif here. So almost like a paisley with a little leaf here. And then there's a floral motif, and this is alternating with each other all throughout the border. And in the very edge, you have a row of chevron motifs. They have these direction arrows pointing like this, and very nicely handled, because even the chevron, they have circular stonework and then the beadwork. So the stonework and the beadwork is alternating with each other, which gives it the motion, that feeling as if that arrows are moving in this direction. So it's beautifully done, very skillfully done. The same thing, of course, continues in the top as well. The same motifs are there on the top. So let's see what the pallu looks like. Pallu continues here. So now we can see the pallu and the saree together, how it will look. This is how it looks. It's fabulous. Again, lovely ethnic motifs all over the pallu. It's really, really nice. Fabulous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7 rows, and the same elements which you saw in the borders, this alternating, this paisley, bud and floral motif, this we saw in the border. The same thing is continuing the pallu as well. 2 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of that. In the center, you have these beautiful ajrak print type of motif, 1 here and 2 more. All of them separated by this row of alternating floral and paisley motifs. So overall, the impact is very, very special. Of course, the edge of the pallu, the same alternating chevron motifs are coming in the silver and gold color. Beads are in silver, glass beads are in silver, the tube beads, and the circular glass stonework is in gold. So you have a nice impact of silver and gold running. Let's see what the blouse looks like. The blouse, fabulously, it's a stark graphite black, contrasts beautifully with the body, and of course the blouse also has this lovely chevron work. So you can see how the body, the blouse and the pallu, the way they work together, it's really, really special. Fabulously designed saree, and this is a classic ethnic printed modal silk saree. Now finally we come to the grand finale. We come to this beautiful blue beauty. It's really nice blue, fabulous blue. Let me open this out. Lovely blue. It's got a slightly grayish tint. Let me just see how this whole thing pans out. Yeah, nice, lovely grayish blue, and all over these prints these are very, very, I think, ajrak style prints. Beautiful all over the body, and against this blue background you have this lovely red motifs, light blue motifs. All of them are different color combinations are there on this beautiful lovely blue background. You have this lighter blues, and you have reds, and you have of course relief whites in the background. Very nice. This is very ajrak, of course, very, very ajrak. And the edge you have these lovely 2 leaves motifs which are running all along the border, beautifully running all along the border. And of course these have got scallop stonework all along the borders. Again, beautiful scallop work. It's very, very nice. The stones and the beadwork is sizzling and really enhances the beauty of the saree. And of course, let's see the pallu. Wow, very classy. The pallu's got beautiful, again, the blue background is the platform on which all this beautiful print work is done. Lovely floral motifs in the center, flanked on both sides by these 2 leaves motifs that we saw on the borders. And right at the very edge, flanking both ends, are the diamond motifs. The diamond motifs are in red, and it's got a lovely, vines or creeping vines all over, floral creeping vines in a lighter blue shade against a deeper blue background. So it's really, really nice. At the very edge, of course, you have the scallops running again, the stonework scallops and the beadwork, beautifully giving a very good sheen to the pallu. Beautiful, lovely. You can see the fabric, the beauty of the modal silk, the way it's made. Beautiful modal silk. Of course, I am sure you know that modal silk is very vegan. There's no cruelty, there's no silkworms, nothing involved. It's a fabulous saree for a vegan who wants to wear a grand silk saree to a party or an occasion. This collection is the perfect collection for somebody who's vegan, who wants to wear silk and have all the beauty and the sizzle of silk. This is a perfect collection because it's got lovely ethnic prints, it's got fabulous modal silk, and of course the stonework really is the icing on the cake. Beautifully, the stonework really lifts the saree to a different level. So this saree can work for any kind of party or occasion. You can carry it off beautifully. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoy bringing this collection to you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. We don't want you to miss out on any of the new collections that we launch from time to time. And once again, if you want to really touch and feel the beauty of this modal silk and see the sizzle of the stonework on this beautiful modal silk collection with all these beautiful ethnic prints, I would urge you to come to our store. The Avishya store, the flagship store of Avishya, is located at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very happy to show you the entire collection. You can touch, feel, drape these sarees. We have lovely trial rooms. You can come and check it out, see for yourself which color works for you and how this modal silk really makes you, elevates your look, and how you can really be the life of the party when you wear these sarees. And in case you're not in Chennai, no problem at all. Please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of stonework, ethnic printed modal silk sarees are available online on avishya.com. We also have a lovely, very friendly customer service team who are available online. They're available for almost 16 hours of the day. Anytime you have a query, you have a doubt, you want to check out a particular saree, you want to find out what the color is, you want to find out how we can place the order and whether it can get shipped to you, please do visit avishya.com. The entire collection is there. We'll be very happy to answer your queries and place your order and send it over right to your doorstep. And of course, supposing you don't want to really go on chat or talk to any customer service people, but you just want to find out whether the saree is available, what is the price, you can WhatsApp us at 73057 77291. That's our WhatsApp number. That's our customer service helpline. Anytime, please do reach out to us. In fact, many of our customers just take screenshots of the video, whether it is YouTube or Instagram. They just take a screenshot and send it over to this number so that we can get back to you with whatever queries that you have. Thank Thank you again. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.